Hey, how are you today? So I'm still building the RFM Panzer III. What we need to do though is add some texture. Well, that's what I wanted to do. So I've done that with some acetone and a brush by just dabbing it with the brush and melting it with the acetone. And we'll get some texture in there, especially around the these wheel bracket things here. Because it was as smooth as a baby's bum. So we've got that looking a bit more, I suppose, authentic, or the way I like it. Some cast iron texture. Rushed out for the Stalingrad offensive, the case blue. So we're coming along much better, but I lost the weld lines along the bottom here. I really tried to keep the top ones, which I think I've done. So I'll have to get the, what is it? The milli putt out, and we'll fill that up and make another weld line. But it's coming along all right. It's a very good quality materials that Ryefield use, and they present everything very well. But I also accidentally locked up all the movable suspension, so that's now stuck in place. Yeah, great. So looking pretty good. We got the wheels nicely painted. So I've made up my own little Panzer grey, which is easy to do. You just get some black and add a little bit of white, and then add a little bit of buff to bring the blue out. So that'll be cool. But yeah, these Ryefield models are really good. Very good quality materials they use. Very easily go together. Everything fits very well. Extremely good. The only thing is you just got to add your own texture. I found that with their Tigers too. I was looking into it, and they were saying they add the Zimmerit scrapers and all that kind of stuff. So it looks like, yeah, they expect you to add your own texture to your tank, whereas Dragon will go that extra mile. That's why they're, I suppose, more expensive, and actually put the Zimmerit and the textures on for you. Although this one by Ming had a fair bit of texture on it, under the wheelbases and stuff like that. Not that you see it, but yeah, that one did. But this has none at all anywhere. So I re-scribed out the lines. It's going to be sanded up. Of course, my brush was dirty when I was making the thing, because I used some old brushes, but re-scribed that out, not because I melted them together, because I want it to be one piece, because I want the oils to actually sit in there much better and easily, and not just, you know, seep straight through. On the front, I used Tamiya putty to bring out more of the texture, and then I just sort of sprayed it with a surfacer. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon.